Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and within this video I'm going to explain step by step how to replace a toilet seat. So I've got my brand new toilet seat. You can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. This particular toilet seat is an elongated. Elongated meaning it's not round. The first thing you'll need to do is determine, is your toilet seat elongated or is it a round shape? Because you don't want to order the wrong shape. It's not going to fit. Another thing you want to take into consideration, and this is a quiet close lid, meaning that, you know, somebody closes the lid, they don't hold it, it'll do bam, slam down, it could potentially crack this very nice seat. So this is a quiet close lid, so it shouldn't slam down. That's very important. Not all toilet seats are quiet closed. That's something to take into consideration. So go to your toilet, flush it. After you flushed your toilet, then you're going to want to close the existing lid, and you'll see on the rear of the existing lid those two posts. Now underneath the side, each side of the toilet, you can feel it with your fingers. There's a little plastic screw type thing that you twist. You'll twist that, you'll remove the little wing nut type piece, and then you'll repeat for the other side. Then your old toilet seat can lift off. What I recommend doing is keeping the package that your new toilet seat came in. If you order the one like I did, again, expand this video's description, click the link there to find where to order it. You just put the old and used toilet seat in there, take it out to the trash, and then you got your new toilet seat on your toilet, and you're living life like a boss. So I hope this video helped. Replacing a toilet seat is not difficult. The thing that I want to reiterate, make sure your seat, know if it's elongated, this is an elongated toilet seat, or if it's a round toilet seat. And then you can find both, by the way. Expand this video's description, click the link there. You can find the round style and then also the elongated style like I have. And this price, build quality, feels very nice. Hopefully this will withstand a lot of use. It'll be easy to clean, I hope. And it's got a premium weight and feel to it. And that's something with less, this is an inexpensive toilet seat, but some that are less expensive, it's just cheap plastic that'll probably crack. This feels cheap. You know, you don't want somebody coming to your house, use your bathroom, and be like, man, they got a cheap toilet seat. So here it is installed, and here's why you want the quiet closed lid. See, it doesn't fall, it just gently descends. And that'll, yeah, it may cost a little bit more than one that doesn't have quiet close, but the value add is that, and see, even that part's quiet close. If somebody lets go of it, if you don't get quiet close, you're probably going to crack your seat and or the lid, so then you'll have to buy another toilet seat. So when you think of it from that perspective, it's very important to get the quiet close. And as a finishing touch here, and I've tightened the little wing nut things on each side underneath. If you needed to make it tighter, don't over tighten. But if you needed to, you could use a Phillips head screwdriver. I didn't have to. Snap these suckers down. Are you ready to poop? Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my other videos too. And again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the toilet seat like I'm using. This is an elongated toilet seat. So make sure that, you know, and I've got both linked within this video's description, but whether you use round or elongated. See, it's got a nice premium feel. Listen to that. Premium feel and sound. It's fancy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.